Hi guys, I'm Abhishek. Today I'm here to talk about the Xiaomi Earbuds app, your gateway to unlock the full potential of your Redmi Buds 5. With tons of cutting-edge features, we are redefining your audio experience. I think it's time to experience unparalleled transparency with our innovation transparency mode, offering 3 distinct levels to suit your environment. Noise has been a major problem for everyone. I think it's time to say goodbye to distraction with our advanced noise cancellation technology. Again, it comes with 3 different levels suiting your requirements. Navigating through your earbuds has never been this easy. Now you can set custom gesture to your earbuds. Now you can also fine-tune your audio requirements with audio effects. It helps in enhancing treble, bass, or voice to match your preferences. Also, be worry-free and never lose your earbuds again. With your Find Your Earphones feature, ensure that you're always connected. Stay seamlessly connected with dual connection control. Effortlessly helps in switching between various devices that you own. You can also enjoy a personalized comfort with in-ear detection and ear tip fit test, ensuring the perfect fit every time. I think it's time to experience the future of audio with the Xiaomi Earbuds app. Redmi Buds 5, redefining wireless audio, redefining your world. Download now and elevate your audio journey.
Xiaomi.